Question number 3. From the following data, find the value of median. Income rupees 150, 200, 220, 250, 300. Number of person 1, 20, 16, 17, 12. First of all, we have to find frequency from cumulative frequency. Frequency is 1, 20, 16, 17, 12. We have to find out cumulative frequency, that is 1 plus 20 is equal to 21, 21 plus 16 is equal to 37, 37 plus 17 is equal to 54, 54 plus 12 is equal to 66. N is equal to 66. Formula of median in discrete series is n plus 1 divided by 2th item. We know that n is equal to 66 and we put numbers in formula. So n is equal to 66 plus 1 divided by 2th item. Now m is equal to 33.5, which comes in CF 37. Okay, so 37th income is 220. This is our median. Find the median from the following series. 115, this is mid value. Okay, now we have to find the class interval. 115, 125, 135, and this is mid value and this is frequency. 6, 25, 48, 72, 116, 60, 38, 22 and 3. First of all, we have to find out class interval through mid value, and we have to find mid value differences, that is 115 to 125. The difference between 115 and 125 is 10. Now we can 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, and 115 minus 5, that is 110. 115 plus 5, that is 120. So this is a class interval, and the frequency is given in question, that is 6, 25, 48, 72, 116, 60, 38, 22. The total number of frequency is 390. The formula of median is m is equal to L1 plus small m minus c divided by f into I. I indicates to interval. Okay. Now we have to find small m. And the formula of small m is n divided by 2 in grouped series. So n is equal to 390. 390 divided by 2 is equal to 195. 195 comes in cumulative frequency 267. Okay. The upper number of 267 is called C. So C is 151. Okay. The frequency is F is 116. L1 is 150 and 160. So that L1 is equal to 150, L2 is equal to 160, M is equal to 195, C is equal to 151, I is equal to 10, that is interval. F is equal to 116. Now the numbers are putting in formula. M, that means median. Median is equal to 150 plus 195 minus 151 divided by 116 into 10. Now we find the median, that is 153.79. Question number 5. Following information is obtained in an investigation about the handloom industry in an area. Obtain the number of workers in a medium size workshop. Number of workers 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25. Number of workshop 3, 8, 13, 11, 5. The class interval is not arranged series, so we have to arrange the series. The series given in question 1 to 5 is arranged to 1 to 6, 6 to 10 is arranged to 6 to 11, and this is arranged series of class interval. The frequency given in question is 3, 8, 13, 11, 5. Now we find out the cumulative frequency, that is 3 plus 8 is equal to 11, 11 plus 13 is equal to 24, 24 plus 11 is equal to 35, 35 plus 5 is equal to 40. Now we finding the total numbers, that is 40. So first of all we have to find small m, that is n by 2. N is equal to 40, 40 by 2 is equal to 20. 20 comes in CF is 24. The upper number of 24 is C, that is 11. The front number of frequency is 13, and L1 is equal to 11 and 16. L1 is equal to 11 and L2 is equal to 16. The formula of median is L1 is equal to M minus C divided by F into I. So we put the numbers in formula, that is 11 plus 20 minus 11 divided by 13 into 5. The calculation or the answer is 14.46, that is answer.